Welcome dear students. Today our topic is trigonometric functions, exercise 3.2, class 11 mathematics. So let us proceed with trigonometric functions. First of all, let we have one unit circle. Unit circle mean a circle with radius 1 unit. And suppose the coordinate plane where the coordinate axis they meet here in the center of the circle. So because the circle is unit circle, so here the coordinates of A are 1 comma 0, B 0 comma 1, C minus 1 comma 0, D 0 comma minus 1. So somewhere suppose here P is any point having the coordinates A comma B. Now if we join OP, so and if this angle is X angle, now drawing any perpendicular on X axis, suppose this is M. Now because coordinates of point P are A comma B, so O to M distance is A, M to P distance is B. Now what we can say in right angled triangle, what we can say now, right angled triangle OMP implies number 1, what is sine of x? Sin x mean perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So first of all, what is hypotenuse? This is because this is unit circle, so hypotenuse is h is equal to 1. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equal to sin x, mean to say b upon 1 is equal to sin x. Similarly, what is cos x? Cos of x mean base upon hypotenuse, a upon 1, that is equal to a. So what we can say, this way we have squaring and adding sin square x plus cos square x, that is equal to 1. This way what we can say, a square plus b square is equal to 1. From here we can find other values of if sin x is known, then we can find the value of cos x. If cos x is known, then we can find the value of other trigonometric ratio from this relation. Now proceeding further, here we see that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree pi by 2. Similarly, angle AOC, this is equal to pi. Next, angle AOD, this is equal to 3 pi by 2. Next, angle AO complete circle, angle AOA, this is equal to 2 pi. Because these angles are on the coordinate axis, so these four angles are also called quadrantal angles. Which angles? Quadrantal angles. My dear students, now we know that cos 0 is equal to 1, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, cos pi is equal to minus 1, cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0, cos 2 pi is equal to 1. So this way what we can say, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0. Likewise we can say cos of odd number 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is equal to 0. So the conclusion is cos of x is equal to 0. It means x is equal to odd number 2n plus 1 multiplied with pi by 2, where for every n belonging to z mean integers. Similarly, we have sin 0 is equal to 0, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, sin pi is equal to 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is equal to minus 1, sin of 2 pi is equal to 0. So likewise proceeding, here sin is 0, at sin pi is equal to 0. Now what we can say, sin of n pi is equal to 0. So conclusion is sin of x is equal to 0. It means x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. So these two important results are very important. Now we shall discuss about the sign of trigonometric functions. Suppose we have the Cartesian plane. This Cartesian plane is divided into 4 equal parts by the coordinate axis. So this is called the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all t ratios, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, only sine and its reciprocal, that is cosecant x, are positive. In third quadrant, only tangent x and its reciprocal, which is cotangent x, are positive. In fourth quadrant, only cos x and its reciprocal, which is secant x, are positive. We can also learn this by one rule. After school to college, after mean all, school mean sine of x and its reciprocal, to mean tangent of x and its reciprocal, college mean cos and its reciprocal are positive. Now coming to the exercise, find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. Number 1, cos of x is equal to minus 1 upon 2, where x lies in third quadrant. This is given. X lies in third quadrant. It means only tangent x and its reciprocal cotangent x are positive. Rest all are negative. Now proceeding here, cos of x is 1 upon 2. Cos of x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. From here what we can say? We can say what is cos x. Cos x like this. In right angled triangle, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse, and base angle is x. Here what is cos theta? Cos x. Cos x is equal to base upon h. So here we are discussing about base. In according to this question, base is equal to 1 and h is equal to 2. So what we can say? P square plus b square is equal to h square. That means p square is equal to h square minus b square. So what we can say? P square is equal to h square mean 4 minus b square mean 1. So this is equal to 3. So what we can say? P is equal to square root of 3. So now we can find other trigonometric ratios from this result. How? Because sin of x is equal to p upon h. This is equal to, because only tangent x and cotangent x are positive, so this will be negative here, minus what is p? Minus square root of 3 upon what is h? H is 2. Next is tangent of x. Tangent of x will be positive p upon b. This is positive, so p is square root of 3, b is equal to 1. Likewise, what is cotangent of x? This is the reciprocal of tangent x, b upon p. So this is again positive 1 upon square root 3. Now what is secant x? Secant x is the reciprocal of cos x. So this answer will be minus 2 upon 1. Likewise, what is cosecant x? Cosecant x is the reciprocal of sin of x. So answer will be minus 2 upon square root of 3.